Hello friends, today we are going to see very important chapter friction. Laws of friction. Frictional force is directly proportional to normal force. F is equal to mu into N. Here mu is coefficient of friction. Static friction is directly proportional to mu s N. Limiting friction is directly proportional to mu s N, which is also called Fs max. Kinetic friction is directly proportional to mu Kn. Frictional force is independent of area of contact between body and surface. That is, frictional force is not depend on area of contact between body and the surface. Angle of friction. Angle made by resultant of frictional force and normal force with normal. Frictional force and normal are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, resultant is equal to in root f square minus n square. Here, mu s is equal to tan theta. Motion of body on rough surface. If applied force is smaller than limiting friction, then body is at rest. If applied force is equal to limiting friction, then body is ready to move. And applied force is greater than limiting friction, then body is moving. Sliding chain on horizontal table. This is important concept. On this concept there are very much questions. Here capital L is equal to total length of chain. Capital M is equal to total mass. Small l is equal to length of hanging part, and small m is equal to mass of hanging part. Question is asked that at equilibrium mu is equal to question mark. Then we can use this formula to find mu. Capital M upon capital M minus m. This formula is in terms of masses. In terms of length, we can also calculate mu. Formula is capital L upon capital L minus small l. Fraction of length hanging. Small l upon capital L is equal to mu s upon mu s plus 1. Sliding block on horizontal rough surface and coming to rest. This is also important concept. Here a acceleration or retardation is equal to minus mu kg, and time to stop is equal to initial velocity upon mu kg. Insect is crawling in hemispheric ball. R is radius of ball. This is unique questions which can be asked in exam. Here maximum height climbed by insect is equal to r into 1 minus cos theta, and mu s is equal to tan theta. Friction between vertical surface. If this is a vertical surface and this body is pressed by force F, then F is equal to mg upon mu s, and Fs is equal to mg. If these are two surfaces which pushing the body, then 2Fs is equal to mg, and the force by which the surfaces push the body is equal to mg upon 2 mu s. Angle of repose. This is inclined plane at inclination theta. If theta is smaller than alpha, block at rest, and theta is equal to alpha, then block is ready to slide. Theta is greater than alpha, block will slide. Here mu is equal to tan theta. This is applicable for only case 1 and case 2. Block on block problems. This is very much important concept. Two types of question can be asked. First, two blocks are given and force is acted upon lower block. Second, two blocks are given and force is acted upon upper block. And ask that accelerations of blocks. To find acceleration of block, we have 3 steps. Step 1, assume both move together and find acceleration of them. To find acceleration, F upon mass of A and plus mass of B. This is a formula. Step 2. Find Fs using given information of coefficient of friction, and find F using FBD. For first block, static friction is equal to mu A into mg, and for second, static friction is equal to mu A into mg. But for finding frictional force using FBD, for first there is no force on upper body, so m into A is equal to frictional force, but here F is acting on upper body, so m into A is equal to F minus frictional force. Step 3. Compare between these two frictions. If friction is smaller than static friction, block A will be at rest and both move with same acceleration. In second case also, if F is smaller than static friction, then A will be at rest and both move with same acceleration. But in second case, if static friction is smaller than frictional force, then A will slide with acceleration. In first case, static friction upon m. This is the formula to find acceleration. But in second case, if static friction is smaller than F, then A will also slide here with acceleration F minus frictional force upon ma.
If this video is helpful, then like and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and comment below your opinion. Thanks for watching.